Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. Today we are going to discuss few things about MFA, like what is MFA, why is it needed, and how to enable MFA for your GitHub account. Let's start with the first one. What is MFA? A security process that requires two or more different types of verification to log into our GitHub account. The next one is why is it needed? It helps us to secure our account. Even someone steals your password, they can't access your account without your phone or app verification. The next one is how to enable MFA for your GitHub account. This one I'm going to demonstrate how to enable this one. Let's start. Let's go to GitHub site, and already I have logged into this one. So let's go to settings. Click on your profile icon and come to settings here. Click on password and authentication. If you scroll down to bottom, here you can see enable two-factor authentication. Click on this one. So here mainly there are two types of authentications are available. So first one is via Microsoft Authenticator. Okay, the second one is by your phone code. So you have to enter your mobile number, and that will be this will be sending you one code to your mobile number. Then you have to enter it. That's how you can log in. So I'm going to show you second one. So here, if you scroll down to here, you have to enter India and enter your phone number and send authentication code. So I'm just waiting for the code. Yeah, I have received it. So these are security recovery codes. For example, if you lost your account, right, then it will be useful to recover your account. So make sure you download this one. So I'm downloading it to my downloads. Then that is done. I have saved my recovery codes. Saved it. That's it. Now you have enabled two-factor authentication for your account. So whenever you log in next time, so it will ask you for the along with the password, you have to verify this two-factor authentication as well. So I'm just signing out to demonstrate you whether this multi-factor authentication is working or not. So I'm signing out. Click on sign in again. So here I'm entering my mail ID. Now I'm entering password also. Click on sign in. So now you see, now it will send code to our my mobile number. Then we have to enter that one as well. Otherwise it will not allow you to log in. This is very important one to secure our account. 679158. Okay, done. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next